Mali raw yung inyong hakbang ayon kay Senate President Cheese Escudero. Dapat daw yung GAA mismo at hindi daw yung BICAM report ang kinwestiyon nyo o kinwestiyon ninyo sa Korte Suprema. Ano ho ang inyong masasabi dito?
Well, ma'am, kung babasahin niya yung aming petition sa Supreme Court, we are requesting na i-declare na unconstitutional yung buong GAA. Yun nga, ang basis namin is because the Bicameral Conference Committee report has several blank items. To be exact, 28 blank items in 13 pages. Ang tanong, bakit napirmahan at bakit na-ratify ng buong Kongreso, both houses? Kasi yung Bicameral Committee report is very important. That is the product of the conference, reconciliation of the two houses. Kasi iba yung resulta ng House, iba yung resulta ng budget ng Senado. So kailangan i-reconcile yun, yung Bicameral Conference Committee. Yun. But pagkatapos nila in-approve at gumawa ng report, yun yung Bicameral Conference Committee report na pinirmahan ng members. Then it was ratified by both houses of Congress na blanco. Paano, ang tanong is paano nagkaroon ng figures doon sa GAA? Because remember, this is not one or two blank items. Hindi ito inadvertent error. This is negligence. 28 blank items is actually na-shock ako nung
naalala ko po, Congressman, yung inyong background dito na natanggap niyo po via email itong BICAM report, hindi ho ba alas 6 ng gabi. Pagkatapos po, pagdating po ng alas 7, ay na-ratify na po ito ng BICAM. Di ho ba yun ang inyong kwento?
Yes, that's what happened. Although I was absent that time, na-trace back ko na lang yan when I studied kung bakit na-overtake ng DPWH budget yung education sector. So I tried to work back, binuksan ko yung email.
At doon nga po yung nagulat na nakita ninyo sa inyong pagbusisi na may mga blankong item. Doon sa pinadala sa inyo ng SecGen ho ba?
Yes, ma'am. SecGen. Parang ano yan, may lahat ng congressman may email, papadalhan ng lahat ng documents every day. Kung ano yung tinitake up doon sa plenary at saka yung yung mga matters sa House. So doon ko, binalikan ko, din nakita ko yung December 11. And it's very clear that indeed there were black items. And marami na rin nag-confirm na indeed.
Actually, black. Congressman, I was also able to speak to Congressman Raul Manuel. Siya din po ang nagsabi, he did confirm rather that there were blank parts, no? But he mentioned halos 12, kung di ako nagkakamali, o 14. But now you're saying these are 28 pages. Pero sa huli ho, o yung sa dulo nitong lahat, ang sinasabi po ng ilang mga congressman, kahit na po may blanco, for example, sir, doon sa BICAM na inyong nakita din ni Congressman Raul Manuel, yung pinirmahan daw ho naman kasi ni Pangulo ay hindi naman po, ay wala pong mga blankong item. At yan din po ang makikita sa website ng DBM. So there is nothing, they're saying, unconstitutional about that. What's your reaction to that, sir?
Well, I would say that the GAA is defective. Kasi the main basis for ang tinatawag naman dyan, enrolled bill, is the Bicameral Conference Committee report. Kasi paano ka magkaroon ng figures doon sa enrolled bill o sa GAA kung may blanks yung BICAM report mo. So, there is, at saka aprobado ng signed at saka approved or ratified ng buong Kongreso yung blank items.
Ratified on the floor by ayes and nays.
Paano nilagyan nila ng figures yung blank items? 28 blank items. Yung iba nga na congressman tumatawag sa akin, ina-add na nila kung magkano. Well, sabi ko, ang question ko lang yung blank items, bahala na kayo mag-add. But it's reached billions of pesos.
Ano naman po ang inyong reaksyon sa sinasabi din po, sinabi ni Congressman Zia Alonto Adyong na gusto nyo lang iparalisa ang gobyerno sa pag-question sa budget?
Well, if he will review his budgeting lessons, hindi maparalisa yung gobyerno because in the absence of a budget, mag-reenact yung previous year's budget, ma'am. So nasa constitution natin yan. Unlike sa Estados Unidos, sa kanila doon, ang nangyayari kasi kanila, pag wala kang mapasa na budget, nag-shutdown sila. Sa atin, under our constitution, pag wala kang mapasa na budget, the old budget or the previous year's budget will be reenacted.
Ayun nga po ang sabi niya, gusto niyo lang din daw ng reenacted budget para daw maibalik ang confidential funds ng OVP. Totoo ba yun?
Well, they should not divert the question because the main question here is the blank items in the BICAM report, dapat yun ang sagutin. But sagutin ko na rin yan. You
Go
review
ahead,
the
sir.
2024 GAA. If they review the 2024, wala ring confidential funds si VP doon. So, dapat magbasa-basa naman ng konti.
May iba pa ba kayong plano sakali kung hindi magtagumpay sa SC, Congressman?
Well, ma'am, under our democratic process, that's the last and only resort because, nakita nga natin o nakita ko na may blanco, may defect yung inapprove ng pareho, Senate at saka House, at napirmahan na may defect. So the only recourse, the last recourse we have is the Supreme Court. So that's the last recourse. Wala na tayong ibang mapupuntahan under our democratic process. I hope the Supreme Court will decide based on what we have presented. The facts and the figures are there.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, Davao City 3rd District Representative Isidro Ungab.